Hello friends, today let's see how to make sun-dried cluster beans. Today I have taken around quarter kg of cluster beans. I have washed it thoroughly, and while selecting take little bigger ones. Don't take very tender ones because it will lose its shape. And after washing it, cut the top and the bottom portion, and if it is very small you can use as it is, no need to cut it. If it is a longer one you can just cut it into two halves. I have cut the cluster beans into two halves, the bigger ones, and the smaller ones I am going to use as it is. Now I have kept water. Take plenty of water and let the water boil. We need to cook the cluster beans. Once the water starts to boil, add the cluster beans. If it is very long, while frying you need to keep lot of oil. To avoid that, I have cut into two halves. Now let the cluster beans get cooked in water. It will take around 10 minutes. No need to cover the pan. We can just leave it open. I am adding little turmeric powder. And also we will add required salt now. And while adding the salt, make sure that you are not adding too much because the quantity will reduce once it dries. So add the salt accordingly, the quantity of the salt. If required, we can sprinkle later after frying also. Now I am adding little chilli powder also to give taste, because the cluster beans will have slight bitter taste. So that we can add little chilli powder to add taste to the vegetable. Now mix everything and let it get cooked. I kept it on high flame. Now you can see the color has changed. No need to overcook it. Once it becomes slightly soft, we can switch it off. We will check whether it is cooked. Just press and see. Now we can see it is cooked and it is done. We can switch off the stove. Don't overcook the vegetable because we are going to dry it. Now I have drained the water completely, and we have to dry it under the sunlight by spreading it on a plate or on a cotton cloth. Once the water is drained completely, spread it on a plate. And don't overcrowd it. You can just spread one single layer of the vegetable so that it will dry faster, and we need to keep it under the sunlight outside or in the balcony. You can keep it, and if you are getting sunlight only for few hours, you can later keep it under the fan. Now I am going to put it in two plates. I put in two plates and I kept it in the balcony where I will get the sunlight. Now you can see in the evening, this is the first day of drying, and you can see it is dried but not completely dried. I have to keep it for another day, and I just close it with a cotton cloth during the night, and the next day again I will keep it in the sunlight. It should be completely dry and will turn very crispy. Now I have kept for another day. This is the second day evening. You can see it has become completely dried, and it should become like this so that you can store it even for a year. Moisture should not be there. Now it is completely dried and it is ready for frying. I will fry and show it to you. I have kept little oil in a pan, in a small pan. Now I will fry the cluster beans. The oil should be hot while putting the dried ones, so that immediately it will get fried. Now you can see it has turned golden brown in color, and we can remove it from the oil. It will be very tasty, and you can serve it as a side dish along with rice, along with mixed rice, or even with curd rice. It will be very tasty. Now the cluster beans fry is ready, and you can taste it. If you want little more salt, we can just sprinkle little chili powder and salt on the top. That is optional. Just mix it together and it will taste very good. Even those who don't like cluster beans will love this. Now this is ready. Instead of chips or papad, you can fry this and serve it as a side dish, and you can store the dried ones even for a year. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel Rasa Taste and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you.